Celebrity Justice is now in session.
Divorce attorney Mirka Brown with the top LA law firm Trope & Trope says in celebrity divorces, alimony and property disputes often escalate after the final decree.
They're really upset about something still and they never had closure, so they still come back to make that other person's life hell.
The court papers detail some bizarre twists. Carradine accuses Marina of filing a knowingly false complaint with the Department of Children and Family Services.
He's entitled to put in his response when a claim is being made. It is a bit of a freak show. You know what? In most cases, you don't keep going back to court over and over.
Still ahead.
Come on, you big ugly bear, I'll whoop you right now.
He produced Ali, but Hollywood legend John Peters acts like a fighter, says estranged wife Mindy, who has a daughter with Peters and is seeking a permanent restraining order.
Mindy was very frightened.
Mirka Brown of the prominent LA law firm Trope & Trope represents Mindy Peters in her divorce from the Batman producer. Mindy's court docs say she was gassing up her Range Rover in Malibu recently when John lunged at her screaming and forcibly grabbed the keys, yelling, "It's my bleep car." Documents say Mirka happened to hear it on the phone.
She sounded very frightened. She is really worried about her safety.
John Peters' docs counter he calmly removed the keys from the ignition after fearing a scene over custody differences. Still,
Mindy remains hopeful that the parties can settle this case and that they can work towards being better parents towards their daughter.
a reliable source close to the actor tells CJ Lamas plans an engagement party within the month with his new love, former Playboy playmate Barbara Moore. Trouble is, Lamas is still married to wife number 4, also a former Playboy playmate, Shauna Sand, with whom he has 3 daughters.
I think it is something that's becoming more common, and I'm seeing it in more and more of my cases.
Family law attorney Mirka Brown with the prominent LA law firm Trope & Trope says the pre-divorce engagement party is an increasingly common Hollywood phenomenon.
I think times have changed.
Will Britney be rolling the dice on her fiancé?
There are reports Britney's poo-pooing a prenup and willing to let millions ride on love.
My first reaction was that for Britney to get married without a prenup is financial madness.
Los Angeles divorce attorney Mirka Brown says prenups are almost standard when it comes to celebrities and marriage, and can't believe Britney wouldn't have one.
She is probably thinking that it's not very romantic to ask him to sign a prenuptial agreement, but I certainly think financially it is not a wise decision.